This video breaks down why the ellipal wallet stands out for air-gapped protection and serious crypto security. Ellipal is built for users who want full control of digital assets without exposing private keys to online threats. The core strength is its complete air-gapped design. The device has no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no USB data connection, and no cellular network. Transactions are signed offline using QR codes, keeping private keys permanently isolated from the internet. Ellipal uses a sealed metal body that resists physical tampering. Inside, a certified EAL5+ secure element protects sensitive data against side-channel attacks and fault injection. Even if the device is damaged or stolen, private keys remain protected. The large touchscreen allows direct verification of transaction details, reducing the risk of address manipulation or malware interference. The companion mobile app works as a bridge without compromising security. Users generate and sign transactions on the phone, scan them with the ellipal device, sign offline, then scan the signed QR code back to the app for broadcasting. At no point do private keys leave the wallet. This workflow removes common attack surfaces found in USB or Bluetooth hardware wallets. Ellipal supports major cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and thousands of ERC20 and BEP20 tokens. Built-in access to staking and DeFi allows asset growth without sacrificing custody. Recovery is handled through a standard seed phrase, giving users full ownership independent of any company or server. In terms of value, the Ellipal Titan is typically priced around $169 to $199, making it competitive for the level of isolation and physical security offered. There are no hidden fees, subscriptions, or cloud dependencies. For investors holding significant funds in dollars, the cost is small compared to potential losses from hacks or phishing. Ellipal delivers strict offline security, durable hardware, and a clear transaction process. It is designed for long-term holders who prioritize protection over convenient shortcuts.